And let me emphasize, I've been able to talk to them because we have heard of so many cases of suicide for our youth, and we are saying no to drugs. Let them be cautious and understand themselves, create a vision and a purpose in their life so that they can excel in future. Indeed, as a government, things are not good at all. When we look at the capitation in schools, there are so many promises that have been made. We have heard from the National Assembly. We understand our speaker, Honorable Wetangula, took a case to court, and the court has been able to declare once again that Azimio is the majority. Why don't we uphold our constitution? When the judiciary says it, let us uphold what they have said, because they went to court, they disputed, and the court has insisted that Azimio is the majority. Let us see the speaker respecting that court that he chose to go and appeal on this case, and doing the rightful thing of honoring Azimio as the majority in parliament. Now these are the governors that are coming out and saying that there's a lot of delays in disbursement of their funds. There is no way the counties will work without resources. There is no way things will move smoothly in our counties, and will not expect any work to be done without this capitation being released. We are asking, and I'm glad that by the end of next week we'll be going back to Parliament so that we can push and also inquire from Treasury what is taking so long for this disbursement of funds to the counties, because we need the counties, we know they need monies so that they can work, and at the same time counties, mukipata ile mumepata. Wacha pia tuone wananchi wakifurahi. Yes, it was disbursed late na kazi inaendelea na inaendelea vizuri.